My advice, this is my honest advice to anyone that's thinking about starting a singing school academy. And if you want to make a full-time living out of it, if you want to do it just part-time and make some part-time money, you can go and do that. And that's what most singing teachers do, is they just get by and they've got another full-time gig or other gigs that are going to be helping them out to provide, to put money on the table. But if you're wanting to make a full-time living out of being a singing teacher, and not just an average living, I'm talking $150,000 to $200,000 a year, I would 100% think about buying a Vox Singing Academy franchise. I wish that I had the opportunity to buy a Vox Singing Academy franchise when I first started. I was speaking to one of my marketing team, Dean and Sam, and I said the exact same thing to them. I said, I wish that I didn't have to do all this and talk to you marketing guys and do all the back end heavy work that I have to do to keep Vox Singing Academy going. I wish I could just have a franchise, or I just go in and teach, do a little bit of social media, and really enjoy the fruits of life. And that's my honest opinion. And I'm putting this down on video here, and I'm not lying about Sam and Dean, and they know exactly the frustrations that I've been going through. Starting off by yourself is very, very hard, as I've already gone over at the start of the video. It's really hard to get momentum, but it's even harder to maintain it. So once you've built up some clientele, it's hard to keep that consistent clientele so they're continually giving you money week in, week out, and not just a little bit of money, but to make a phenomenal living from being a singing teacher.